What's wrong, sweetie?
I'm sad that I'm not a bird.
You're what?
I'm not a bird.
You want to be a bird and you're not a bird?
No, I'm not a bird.
Oh, it's hard, huh?
Yeah.
I have an idea. Use your imagination. And you can be a bird. Come on, try it.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close them tight. And can you see it in the trees?
No.
Close your eyes and pretend you're a bird. Is it working?
It's not working.
Try again.
I just want to be a bird.
Maybe close your eyes tighter? Is your imagination broken? Try again. Just...
Mom, I think I'm just not meant to be a bird.
Imagine harder.
Maybe okay, just be me. You might need help. Mom, you a wiggly whack. I'm out of here. Mom, you need help.
Well, maybe I'll find some help in my